Welcome to New Tips today. We're delving into the secrets of smelling good every day. From hygiene hacks to fragrance tips, stay tuned for all the essentials to keep you fresh and fabulous. Personal hygiene. Maintain a daily routine of showering with soap and water to cleanse your body, especially focusing on areas prone to sweating and odor buildup. Use deodorant, apply deodorant, or antiperspirant in the morning and as needed throughout the day to control sweat and mask body odor. Clean clothes. Wear clean clothes made from breathable fabrics like cotton and wash them regularly with a pleasant smelling detergent. Avoid re-wearing clothes without washing, especially if you've been sweating. Choose the right fragrance. Find a perfume or cologne that complements your natural scent and matches your personality. Apply it lightly to pulse points, such as wrists, neck, and behind the ears for a subtle and lasting effect. Stay hydrated and eat well. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to flush out toxins and stay hydrated. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins can also positively impact your body's natural odor. Oral hygiene. Brush your teeth at least twice a day, floss regularly, and use mouthwash to maintain fresh breath and prevent oral bacteria buildup. Maintain hair care. Wash your hair regularly with shampoo and conditioner suited for your hair type to keep it clean and smelling fresh. Avoid excessive use of hairstyling products that can leave residue and trap odors. Manage stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety can trigger sweat and body odor. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to help manage stress levels. Regular exercise. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine to promote overall health and circulation. Shower after exercise to remove sweat and bacteria that contribute to body odor. Practice good foot hygiene. Wash your feet daily, especially between the toes, and dry them thoroughly to prevent fungal growth and unpleasant foot odor. Wear clean socks made from breathable materials like cotton to absorb sweat. Check for medical conditions. If you notice persistent body odor despite good hygiene practices, consult a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions, such as hormonal imbalances or infections. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching our guide on smelling good daily. If you found it helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Got questions? Drop them below. Until next time, stay fresh.